I would have died for the name Jesus when I was till Yahweh opened my eyes. Yahweh says, I revealed myself unto who the Father will. You will find that I have not yet said anything about the 10 horns. Why not? Because it is so important that we shall have to study each on its own. Let us first look at the history book's interpretation of the fourth beast. Fourth beast was terrible, the world history book's interpretation. According to the history books, this fourth beast is Rome. According to the history books, we find that the Roman Empire took over the kingdom from the Empire of Greece, then became the most powerful of all the beasts described in the Bible. Later in the study we shall find that this mighty Roman Empire in 334 AY gave birth to a state church which shall be called the Roman Catholic Church. The word Roman means Roman Empire or state. The word Catholics means united, and the word church means universal. This religion was created with the intention to become a universal Roman Catholic cult or church worldwide, which will rule the world in the Great Tribulation at the end of time. As we continue the study, we will discuss this subject in full. According to the history books, this fourth beast, or this fourth kingdom, which was dreadful and terrible, existed between 476 BY to 168 AY. It was a period of 308 years. According to the Bible, we find that the history books never said anything about the great iron teeth this beast had. It devoured and broke anything into pieces, stamped the residue with its feet. It's not there, A, B, and C. It's one of the there's great problems with Christianity. Many Protestant and Charismatic churches only teach from the Bible the part which supports their theology. They simply ignore the rest of the scripture which does not suit their teachings and church dogma. That's the thing in Protestantism. Just an interesting question. According to the history books of the world and the word Yahweh El-Elohim, we find that Media and Persia took over from Babylon. Greece took over from Media and Persia. Rome took over from Greece. Who took over from the mightiest empire in the world, the Roman Empire? That's a question I have. What do you say? Who took over Rome? The mightiest empire in the world ever just disappeared from the face of the earth without even one shot or one arrow being fired. How is it possible? Babylon, Medium, Persia, Greek, Rome. The calves. As we continue with the study, you will later get the shock of your life. But I want this question to remain for you to think about. I have a question. But was this all what Daniel saw? No. What else did he see? And it had 10 horns. This last beast had 10 horns. Now, did you make out or discover the figurative speech for the 10 horns?